This basement is a far cry from when we first got here. It used to be a dank basement. The floor grade was right here. Homeowners saw it and said, I want to have it usable space. So now they dug it out, and look at this. Plenty of headroom. They're going to have a workbench here. They'll have a utility sink here, potting bench right here, but they wanted to add a bathroom. And the bathroom wants to go right here. But there's some challenges when you decide to put one right here, right?
It does. Let me show you, Richard.
All right.
So the sewer main is going to come into our building at this elevation
right over
here.
there, yep.
Yep. Everywhere else in the house will drain gravity into the sewer and out to the street.
Right.
But our bathroom is at this
Yep.
height down here.
Water does not go uphill.
We have to get the toilet from here to here. So what are we going to do? We're going to add an ejector.
Okay, sewage ejector. We've seen them before.
Let me show you a few nice features with
All
this
right.
tank. Removable cover.
Nice.
An access point here that you can get to the floats.
That's the float that'll fill. Good.
Yep. And an access point here where if you have to get to the pump,
Yep.
removable clamp inside where you can pull the pump without disconnecting the vent or the discharge.
All right, so all the drain is going to come in here, waste and water, going to go here. The float will activate the pump. It'll discharge out here, out to the sewer up here. Okay, so let's get started. You've dug a hole. They've dug a hole for us. We're going to bring this up by 3 inches. That'll be good. Okay, right about there?
Yep. Just want to make sure the tank is level.
Perfect.
So Richard, before we backfill the ejector, let's dry fit this
Perfect.
and just make sure it all lays out right.
Because we have a toilet, it's got to be 3 inch right here, going here. What's this branch going to
So
be?
this is our branch that's going to pick up our utility sink for the potting room.
Yep.
And then this is our branch that's going to head for the toilet
Okay.
in our half bath.
Okay, and this one goes over there. Okay,
Yep.
so we're looking for, this is the back, this represents the back wall of the finished bathroom. This is the sheetrock grade level, right? We want that to be at about 12 inches, and that'll actually end up at 12 once we glue that all together. How about this way? We good this way, Brian?
We are. So we'll have a 2x4 wall
Right
off
there,
the concrete,
yeah.
and then we'll be 16 to center off of that.
And that is perfect. Good. All right, so let's backfill this and then glue it up.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.